So greetings from India. Welcome, Emandeep. How about the FSW draws? Any hope for us Outlanders? Right now, I can tell you that nothing is going to be changing anytime soon. That much I can tell you absolutely. And one of the things that we're watching as we work through this is just we take our lead from the orders in council. We take our lead for when the borders are going to be opening. And the reality is, even right now, immigration, when we look at what's happening between Canada and the US, those that border and basically how Canada is treating their relationship with our closest partner, and whether or not the border's open for that, well, that is a very, very significant indicator that, well, things are not going to open up anytime soon. So we're still waiting. Canada's still struggling with their with the vaccinations and the rollouts and all of these things, which is just basically going to continue to cause delays. And my heart goes out for all of you. Anyone who is trapped outside, who has a confirmation of permanent residence that's already been issued. Remember, last fall, they were starting to issue some because they thought things were going to open up. But the reality is it just didn't because of the pandemic, the second wave, the variants of the virus. So all of those things are holding back everything that we're doing right now. And especially those Outlanders who are looking to qualify or go through FSW. At this stage, we don't see any opening up of FSW draws.